Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make cheesy broccoli casserole or cheesy baked broccoli, which will be very creamy, cheesy and yummy of course. So let's get started with this quick and tasty broccoli recipe. So here are some broccoli florets which I have cut into medium size, and I have blanched them so that they won't take much time to get cooked when we bake them. And now we will prepare the creamy garlic sauce. Before making the creamy garlic sauce, I will chop some dill leaves. This is going to add a nice flavor to our creamy garlic sauce. Chopping is done, and now we'll prepare the sauce. For that, heat a pan and add around 1 tablespoon of salted butter. When the butter melts, I will add some finely chopped garlic. I have used here 2 large garlic pods. Saute them for a while. Now I'll be adding 1/2 tablespoon of refined flour. Saute the flour well for a while until they are well combined. Now gradually add milk bit by bit. Keep stirring continuously. Prepare the white sauce according to the quantity of broccoli you want to bake. And now we will quickly season the sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon mixed herbs. Mix the seasoning well. Next goes some grated cheddar cheese and the chopped dill leaves. Now give a good mix. So our creamy garlic sauce is ready. This should be the consistency. You don't need to make a very thick consistency because it will thicken when it cools down slightly. I'll turn off the flame now. Now take an oven safe dish and grease it well with olive oil with the help of a brush. Now arrange the broccoli florets on the baking dish. Arrange evenly so that it covers the dish well. Next, gradually pour the creamy garlic white sauce over the broccoli florets. See to it that it covers all the sides of the baking dish. Next, I'm going to add 3 different types of cheese. Here goes some grated cheddar cheese. Next goes grated mozzarella cheese. Add cheese generously if you want your broccoli casserole to be creamy and yummy. And finally, some Gouda cheese. You can add more varieties of cheese or the cheese of your favorite. And now I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. And friends, here goes our cheesy broccoli casserole or cheesy baked broccoli. It took approx 25 minutes to get baked properly. I will now lift a small portion to show how creamy and cheesy our broccoli casserole has turned out. So friends, do try this yummy recipe. Also share your feedbacks. And if you like my today's video, then do subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more yummy recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.